to keep people aware that there's still people missing in action. And, you know, until we get rid of that and treat everybody fairly and right, then the government needs to be aware, and this is one way that they're aware every year, that people come here for this.
It's our way of giving thanks to the veterans that have served.
Just the idea that you have somebody in a family that may be left behind and you don't know where they are, and they don't deserve that.
And that's what's really important to me, is to come and just pay our respects for the people that never came home.